To start, create a new HTML file. I'm going to just save this first of all. Keeps the job right. J1532 home page 2019 A. Just to give it a different name. I'm going to press save. I go into insert our table. And this is similar to yesterday's, but a little bit different. So it's 7 rows by 3 columns, 650 pixels wide. A few of you got this wrong yesterday, so just pay attention to this bit here. Press OK. So it's just over half of my screen. So if you've got that wrong, it might be the percent you put down. First thing we're going to do is left click and drag, right click, table, merge cells, get it looking like in the exam paper. That's the last one there. So click into the cell, then we have to do this, which is quite a tedious task, but needs to be done. Now I press tab, the button above caps lock, every time I've finished. Just make sure that the value is entered correctly. And these ones are 200. Oh, sorry, that's the mistake you make. Down to that. 200, 130. I know it takes a while, but you can see I'm doing this in the morning. I'm a little bit sleepy still. There you go. Now, even though you think you're doing nothing here, it's important you do this, because if the examiner asks to see your code, which they will do, then you've got to, if you haven't done this, you'll lose points. So that's why we do it. 480 on this one, and the last one down here, which I haven't merged, just do that there now, is 650, which will just disappear because it's already 650, and then 80 for this one. There we go. So we've got our table there. So now we're ready to start entering the text. Tuara again, wildlife conservation trust. Make sure it's spelled correctly, exactly what it says. Set this one to H1. Remember, when we apply the style sheet, this will change. In cell K, enter the text edited by. K is this one here. Edited by, and you put your name, comma, cent number, QA026, and whatever you choose for your candidate number. This is set to H3. Cell L, which is this one, you're going to enter the text, click here for the top of the page. Oh, sorry, it's top of page, which is bad English, but if that's what they want you to do, because that's what we've got to do. This one's going to be H3 as well. Now, it says to place an anchor before the table. Now, if we click up here, that's in the table, and you can't really get above it. So my advice here is just to click there. You can see the cursor. Then I'm going to press left. And then you can see it's there. Let's press up as well, just to make sure that it's up as far as it can go. So this is where we're going to put the named anchor. Now, we didn't do this in the last test, so this might be a good reminder for you. Go down and insert, choose named anchor, and we're going to call this one a sensible name. It's the whole point of this is to go to the top of the page, and it's literally going to call it top. And you can see it's appeared there. Now, to get your named anchor working, which is this link here, highlight it, go to link, and press hashtag and whatever you've named it. We named it top. Again, I'm pressing the tab button just to make sure it goes in. Enter would probably work as well. And then that bit there's done. Now let's have a look to see if this is working. Remember, it's always good just to test out things as you go in so you don't get too far down the line and then realize things aren't working. And see, my computer's just a bit slow as well. Not just me. Right, there we go. So I'll just press this and you can see it takes us to the top. So that works. So that's good. I'll minimize it. Right, next bit, we now on to step 9. So in C, E, G, and I, we need dolphins, elephants, flamingos, and gorillas. Again, make sure we spell them correctly. Dolphins, elephants, flamingos, no E in that, and gorillas, double L on that one. Set these to H2. There you go, that's done. Right, this is where we need to put the images in B, D, F, H, and J. So in B, we're going to have a picture of an alligator. So insert your folder. Remember, everything's got to be in the same folder. Your style sheet, your web page, your images. So I'm looking for an alligator. This is, again, if you don't do this now, you'll have to go back and do it. So I always just do it properly first time. Again, you'll get points for this in your evidence document. Turn the page to step 11. Insert image. This one's the dolphin. Right, say that looks like a dolphin to me. Image of dolphin. Insert image. Image of elephant. In here, image of flamingos. Yeah. The final one, insert image of gorilla, which is this dude here. Right, you can see King Kong's a bit too big for us, so we need to reduce the size of him. So it says make sure each image in step 11 is 194 wide, 124 pixels high. So I'm going to make it unlocked so it doesn't maintain aspect ratio. 194 tab 124 tab. All right, so you can see it's resized it. I'm just going to click on my table underneath and it brings it all back in again. Use the image of a gorilla placed in step 11 and the text gorilla to create hyperlinks to the page gorilla. So again, we did this yesterday in that one. That link. Can't find it. Where is this? There it is. And the target is underscore primates. Tab at the end. Step 14, we've already done that. Step 15, attach the style sheet, the little chain link here. browse, it should find straight away. It's this one here, J1532 style. Press OK. It goes pretty horrendous shade of green. So if you've done that, you've completed the first half of this test. Don't forget to place things in your evidence document. So, and if you do place things in the evidence document of a browser, it must be the browser. My advice would have it full screen so it's not got Dreamweaver in the background. Okay.